In this video, we are going to share our own experience of using both of these platforms so you can decide which one is better for you. Watch this video till the very end so you won't make any mistakes, and let's get started.
I've been using both Typedream and Notion sites for about 6 months now to build simple no-code websites, and here's the honest breakdown based on real experience. Starting with Notion sites. This is easily the simplest way to turn content into a website. If you already use Notion, you literally just click Publish, connect a domain, and your site is live. It's incredibly fast and beginner-friendly. You don't need to think about design, hosting, or structure. Everything is already handled for you. What I liked most is how frictionless it is. You can build a portfolio, blog, or simple site in minutes. The downside is that it looks like Notion. Customization is very limited, and branding options are basic. It works great for simple use cases, but it doesn't feel like a real website if you care about design or conversion. Now Typedream. This one feels like a big step up while still staying simple. It keeps that Notion-style editing experience, but adds actual website building features like templates, sections, forms, and better design control. You're still working with blocks, but the result looks much more like a modern landing page or startup website. What I liked most is the balance. It's still fast and easy, but you get more control over layout, branding, and structure. You can build landing pages, link in bio sites, and even basic funnels much more effectively. The downside is that it's not as instant as Notion, and it still has limits when it comes to advanced customization or large websites. So what should you pay attention to? If your priority is absolute simplicity and publishing content as fast as possible, Notion sites is enough. If your priority is building a simple but more professional-looking website with better design and flexibility, Typedream is the better option. For me personally, Typedream wins. It gives you that same simplicity, but with way more control and a more polished final result. But if you just want to publish something quickly with zero setup, Notion sites is still unbeatable.